Hey guys, for today's video, we are going to explore the SosoValue Season 2. Now for the previous season, I gained 500 SosoValue, and that is an equivalent of around $500 as well. Now they are starting their Season 2, and let us explore the potential of earning money for free. Now in order for you to do that, you need to click the link in our website first and then sign up and verify your email address. If you're done, it will redirect you to their website, and then the next thing that you need to do is to complete your profile. So click your profile icon here and then go to Personal Center. Once you're inside, don't forget to add your username, add your email address, and then at the same time, connect your socials, connect your Google, connect your Telegram, your X, and at the same time, the most important thing, connect your crypto wallet. Now in this case, I used my Bybit wallet. So if you have a Bybit wallet, connect your Bybit wallet as well. Once everything is done, click the numbers here to earn points. As what you can see, SosoValue would require you for daily check-in. And once you open their website, you will automatically gain 1,000 points. And don't forget to do that every day. As what you can see, I already checked in here, and the next check-in will be at the next 22 hours. Now once you're done with that, do not forget to check their quest as well. Watch their daily news to earn 4,000 points. Share their post in X and earn 4,000 points. Repost or quote their X and again earn another 4,000 points. Reply to their X and you will gain 4,000 points. And same process, just leave a like and you will earn another 1,000 points. Now after you're done completing these tasks, all you need to do is to check the next requirements here. If you already connected your Google account, you will earn 50,000 points. When you installed their desktop application, you will gain 150,000 points. When you subscribe to their channel, you will gain 50,000 points. When you follow their X, you will gain another 50,000 points. Connect to their X, another 50,000 points. Install their mobile app and follow their Socastus AI account, and you will gain another 50,000 points. And as you can see, I accumulated these points already. Now you could gain more points by inviting your friends, alright? So do not forget to copy your referral link and then share this to your friends and post this in your different social media accounts such as Twitter, Facebook, Discord, Instagram, and many more. Now another way of earning SosoValue is joining their campaign. So click Get SSI now, and then here on top you could stake the following to earn a potential airdrop from SosoValue. Another way of earning a potential airdrop here for SosoValue is to click the reward tab here and then invite your friends to earn 10% rebate. Just click this one, download the poster or copy the link and then share it to your social media accounts. And in the span of 7 days, you may claim your additional SosoValue rewards here. As what you can see, there are different ways to earn SosoValue. You could earn that by staking, you could earn SosoValue by sharing, or you could earn more SosoValue by following their quests and then in their daily login. Alright, so that's it for now. I hope you learned something. Please continue to visit our website to gain access to our airdrop guides. Until next time, have a great day. Peace out.